Going down under the sun, burning love cause we are young. No one tells us what's done wrong, cause it's just me and you.
Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. So for today's Valenbean look, I did just kind of this really soft, romantic, halo-y eye with these glitters all over it, and I think it's really cute. I played with the Paulina palette and the Lime Crime Venus 3, and then I played with a glitter from Apocalyptic Beauty. So that's all I really have to say. Let's just get into the tutorial. Good morning, good morning. I have to leave for work in about 45 minutes. So we are going to do a quick cute little Valentine's Day tutorial, and then I'll be on my merry way. I have a vague idea of what I want to do. I bought a couple glitters from Apocalyptic Beauty that were Valentine's Day themed, and I want to use one of them desperately. It's called Heart of Glass. You can't really see it, but it's really cute. They're very iridescent and just cutesy. So I'm gonna do another pink base look. That's why the pink background is behind me. This is my second one that I'm filming, but I'm pretty sure this is not the second one that's gonna be going up because I want to have it alternate between pink and red background. I don't know why. So I'm gonna dip into the Blush Tribe Paulina palette first, and I'm gonna take Angel, which is the lighter bright pink, obviously, and I'm dropping everything. And I'm just taking that on one of these like more angled brushes that I like to use, and I want to leave the inner center of my eye more blank, so I'm just going to focus this directly on the inner and outer corner of the eye, and I do want this outer corner a little more winged out as well. So what are you guys up to? How's February going so far? Obviously by the time this video goes up, it'll have been like a little over a week into the month. I say it 100 times, but I apologize for all the traffic sounds outside my window. It's like they wait until I start filming, and then it gets really annoyingly loud. For me, today is the 31st of January, very last day of the month. We survived the first month of the year. How about it? I feel like this first month was kind of stressful, to be honest with you, just because I'm trying to get used to not only just getting back in the swing of things from our New York vacation, but getting used to the fact that we have to save a ton of money now and we don't have as much money to spend. And I'm also still trying to be extra careful just because of starting the salon studio business. I don't want to, I don't know, I'm trying to get really ahead of myself so that there's no risk of failure. I want to always make sure my bills can be paid. So that's that. So it's just been kind of stressful financially. I did not buy very much makeup, and I'm actually kind of proud of myself. It actually feels good to just kind of focus on what I have. I bought the Paulina Blush Tribe palette, although I may have actually purchased that right before January. I bought the Pinky Rose Obsession palettes, but again, I think I bought those before January as well. I didn't really buy much in January. I bought those Apocalyptic Beauty glitters, and I bought a new concealer, and I think that's it. I can't believe it. I'm gonna take the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette, and I'm gonna dip into Bliss right here. And I'm just taking this on a random pencil brush. I don't even know where this is from. But I'm just going to use this just to kind of deepen the inner and outer corner of the eye, as well as smoke it out on the inner and outer portion of my lower lash line. This is such a good color. It's so cute. I feel like in my favorite shadow in the eyeshadow palette, this is what I picked for this palette as being my favorite shade. I wasn't trying to do a V shape with the center of my eye, but I guess that's what my hand's just doing today. So just gonna roll with it. Just gonna go back with that first brush that I was using to lay down that Angel shade. We got Kingdom Hearts 3 the other day. Obviously we got it on release day. We had it pre-ordered for a long time. We've been playing it and it's been a lot of fun. Does anyone else keep up with Kingdom Hearts? Because if you do, we can be friends. Going in with the Lime Crime Venus 3 palette again, I'm going to take Rapture, which is just kind of a satiny, creamy light shade. And I'm just taking a dense brush and I'm spraying it with some spray. And I'm going to go in and just kind of pop that on the center of my lid just to open up the eye. So I want the space to be nice and blank. I wanted this look to be very simple and very soft and romantic, Nothing too crazy. And I'll just keep going back and forth with all my brushes until I feel like it's kind of what I'm going for. I'm also gonna pop a tiny bit of this underneath the center of my lower lash line. I'm just gonna go in with my finger. And in my inner corner, I'm just gonna spray a little brush again and dip into that exact same shade. Pop that right in the inner corner of my eye. So I'm just gonna take that same dense brush that I used to pack on Rapture, and I'm taking some of my NYX glitter primer, the absolute best glitter glue of my life. I'm gonna pat some of this right in the center of the eye. And I'm gonna dip into this cute glitter and just pop it on. This glitter is so cute. Just popping some more of that glitter glue on the center of my lower lash line. Dipping into that glitter again, just to pop a little bit more underneath. I think that's so cute. Okay, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other eye, and that's pretty much it. So this is the final look. I really hope you like it. I love how it came out. I think it's just very simple, but still has a nice statement to it. The lashes that I'm wearing are from House of Lashes. They are the Natalia lashes. I haven't worn these in a really long time, and I don't know how I feel about them. I feel like maybe I've gotten so used to bold face makeup and Rouge and Rogue that House of Lashes is just not doing it for me anymore. But I don't know, maybe it's just this pair. Let me know what you think. On my lips is from Dose of Colors. It's called Warm and Fuzzy. I don't even know if I've actually worn this lipstick. I knew I had it when I saw it, obviously, but I can't remember ever wearing it, and I really like it. It's just a really pretty soft pinky nude, and I felt like it complemented this eye look perfectly. So here we are. Let me know what you think of this look. Let me know what you think of Valenbean so far. Please give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's beautbean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Let me know what videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Okay, bye.